Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to work with the modified panel. So let's start from the move. Uh, for example, you have a circle in here. If you want to move it, you can type M, enter, or you can choose from here, click move, enter, select the circle and then enter. First, now you specify the point from where you want to move. I'm going to click in here and then where you want to put. And also you can type a number too. For example, 25. This is the circle. How to move it? So easy. Okay. The next one is rotate. So I have this rectangle. If you want to rotate this, just click the rotate and then select the object and then enter. So now specify the base point. I'm going to click in here. Now you can rotate where you want to, or you can rotate to the specific angle too. For example, 40, 45. This is 45. Okay. The next tools is trim and extend. So the easiest way is just type TR and double enter. Now you can trim. Yeah, you want to trim like this. Okay, the next object is extend. For example, I have this and one line in here. So now I'm going to extend this line to this rectangle. So first from here click extend and then select the first object and then enter and click this. So easy. Okay, the next tool is erase. You can select this erase, click where you want and then enter, or you can select first the object and then select erase. It's the same. The next tool is copy. If you want to copy, you can write CO, or you can click here to make a copy and then select the object and then enter and then click specify a base point. For example, I'm going to choose the center and then where you want to put. You can also specify the second point with the length and angle. For example, I'm going to put this copy in here with the specific distance and angle 14 and then click tab and then 166. Okay, the next tools is mirror. Select mirror and then select the object and then enter and then specify the 2 point like this. Now if you want to remove the source, you can remove too. So now I'm going to try that, select, enter first point and second point, and I'm going to erase the source object. Yes, that's how we. Okay, the next tools is flip, chamfer, and blend curve. So, for example, I have this rectangle. So now I'm going to work with solver flip. When you click flip, and then there is some command polyline, radius, trim, and multiply. I'm going to start from polyline. If you click P, enter, and then radius, enter. How much? Maybe 3, enter. And this is how we by one click we flip. Okay, and then if I use a trim, click T. Okay, now it's trim, and I'm going to no trim, and then select P, enter. There we go. This is how we not trim in this corner. Okay, now I'm going to try multiple. Click M, enter, and then radius, enter 3. And now this is how it's work. Click, you can one by one make it one by one. Okay, let's go to the chamfer. Flip and chamfer, this work is the same. This is, and from here also we start from full line. Click P, enter, and then there is distance or angle or method. I'm going to use distance. T, enter, or 3, enter, and then 3. See, 3 by 3. Okay, you can the same as method. You can try another angle method, trim. Okay, so now I'm trying trim. Type T, enter. I'm going to say no trim. So now again T, 3, and let's change 2. The first one is I'm click the chamfer this 3, and the second one is 2. See, this distance is 3 and this one is 2. If you want to continue, just click space and then chamfer the corner. The next tool is Explod. For example, I have this rectangle, and now you can see this is one object. If you want to explode, if you want to maybe delete this side, you can use explode and then delete it. Select the object and then explode. See, now there is 4 objects. Or you can use select explode and then select all and then enter. This is how to explode. And also you can rejoin this also. Now this is 4 object, and from here previous tutorial we learned that rejoin. Click rejoin and then click all, then enter. See, now it's all just one object. Okay, the next tools is stretch. So I have this rectangular and now I'm going to stretch it and make it bigger. So click stretch, select here, and then enter, and then specify the point. Then you can stretch it how much you want, maybe like this. Okay, the next tool is scale. It's also easy. Just click scale, select the object, and then enter. And now select a base point, maybe here, and you can select, give it a scale like this. You can type the number. Also, maybe I'm going to type 2. Okay, the next tools is array, and now there is 3 kinds of array: polar array, path array, and rectangular. And now I'm going to start from rectangular array. Click this and then select the object and then enter. This is how we are, and maybe close it. If you want to change and set up, click this, and now there is the column. It is 4 and you want to have a column 5, and this is the distance between the column each of this object. From here to here there is 6, and now I'm going to change to 5 or maybe 8, and this is the total from here to here. This is the total distance, and the arrow there is 3, and I am going to change this to 4, and this is also distance between each of them from here to here and here to here, and this is the total. I'm going to make it 6 and all is 18, and this is the level. If you have like a 3D model or like that, you can change from here level. Maybe now there is only one level. If you want to 2 or how much you want. And this rectangular array. Okay, the next one is polar array. Okay, for example, I have this curve and a circle in here. So now I'm going to array and this line. Go to the array, path array. First, select the object you want to array, and then select the enter, and then select the object you want to array on. See how? And now also you can set up from here between the distance between each of them. Maybe I make 14, base 14, or this is the row. I have 1 row. If you want to have 2 row, or maybe you have 3. This is the, and this is the distance between each of them from here to here, and then this number is the distance between from this and this total. Maybe 12 1. Okay, polar array. For example, you have a table like this, and you have a chair in here, and you want to set up the chair around the table. So I'm going to go to the polar array, select the object you want to array, and then enter, and then select the center of the circle. See, there is how to make, and now you can set up, maybe you put it chair, or maybe more 10 to, and this is the distance between each of them. If you change this to 30, see how it looks. See, this is start from here, this is 30, and total from here to here the 215 degree. If you make it 3 and 60, it's like, and this is the row. Maybe you want to change to row, and this is the distance between each of them, and this is the distance, the total distance. For example, if you have 3 row, now you can see, if make it this 6, from here to here 6 unit, and from here to here 12. Okay, the next tool is offset. For example, you have a line and you want to make offset. You can select from here, or you can click O and enter, and then now you can give it the number, for example 3, or maybe the below here you want to offset inside this. And now I'm just going to work on join, how to make a join. For example, you have a line like this, and then I'm going to cut this line using trim, double enter, and then delete this. If you want to join this line, you can use join. Click join, and then select the line, both of them, and enter. So now this is a line and the join. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.